blizzard of '94. There's Ed Risler. Snow shoveling.
How was work, Jim?
I don't know, I wasn't there very long. I figured I haven't seen so many people shoveling at the same time.
Never seen so much snow in one winter.
I know. Yeah, I fought my way to work.
How was the traffic?
There was none.
Yeah.
Found out no one was there. Did what I had to do and left.
I kind of did the same thing, only I never left the house.
Yeah. It was kind of ridiculous. The snow is piling up. There's Sean. I'm waiting for my pecan pie. Hey, Sean, where's your shovel?
It's out to play, he told me.
You can't come out just to hang out?
Just wants to play, he says.
Silly you. There's our cars. Snow is phenomenal. Of course, we're waiting for Madeline. She's over at Pam's house cooking the pecan pie. And I guess you're wondering why a pecan pie today? 'Cause I passed the PE exam. The professional engineer's exam of the state of New Jersey has declared me capable. It seems impossible. Hallelujah. Who's that? Don't come up to him. And we'll be back. I have children to attend to. We'll fade out on Uncle Ed Risler struggling with 8 inches of snow on Tuesday, 12 inches of snow on Friday, and there he is. As I said, when you thought trying to focus in outside, and yes, there's Mrs. Farley and Sandy Black working. As I scan the area, as the light becomes clear, as the songs of the heavens start to sing, as the Gloria begins to resound, as we look into and can I focus on this thing? I don't even know, but if you even want to say, what would it be? It says 70, and that is a passing grade. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Where are you? Hallelujah. 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 And where are my party participants? Kevin, what do you have to say about this spectacular? Don't eat Barney! Oh no! He's eating Barney! Oh! Barney's oh! We'll get back to you when Barney is completely eaten. I'm looking around. I sense a son named James is running about my feet. I can't even find him. Where would he be? There he goes! And his friend from across the street. There he is! Brian Foley! Brian, what do you have to say about today? Jim, what do you have to say about your father passing in the PE exam today?
Cool, man.
Hey, thumbs up, baby.
2 thumbs down.
What do you mean 2 thumbs down? 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs down.
Mr. Foley, what do you have to say about Mr. Gazzelli passing the PE exam today? Say cool, man, cool.
Cool, but cool.
I'll give you a butt. I'll give you a butt. Snap it. And we'll be back as we search for Kevin and the Barney dog.
Here.
Where is it?
What? It's still there. We got invited for dinner, so I figured I'd bring dessert.
I think she's at 10.
We got invited for dinner?
Yeah, you want to go bring dinner?
I don't know whether I'm capable.
Hello, Mr. P.
So what about our Bigfoot pizza?
Get that another time.
Oh!
Do you really think Pizza Hut's going to be open?
Yes.
What idiots in their right mind would go out for takeout?
I'm going out.
Whoa, whoa,
I want to go to Aunt Sophie's or Aunt whatever it is. One of those aunts you recommend.
Yeah! That's Nani!
Aunt Rose, I want some spinach ravioli.
Hey, next week is Pasta Mazul.
All right, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's here.
Like who? Who do you think I mean? My husband? I don't think he's so.
Yeah!
Yeah, he's in for a few beers.
I don't think so.
Speaking of which, what the hell are you doing with a camera instead of the snow shovel?
I'm just on the moon to shovel today.
What are you pointing at?
Sean, do they know that he's going all the way down the street? All right, Matt, come on in before you become the snowman of the street.
I'm Jim Gazzelli.
Hey, get back in there.
I'm Jim Gazzelli.
Come on, Jim, now.
Mr. Gazzelli.
I'll give you Mr. Gazzelli. Get in there.
I play football.
No.
Football.
Kevin!
There's a dead man. Dead man. He's
Hey, what did you have to say?
I fart.
All right, that's it. It's time to deal out some discipline. Yo-ho!
He's finally outside shoveling snow after his case of beer. He's working hard. You can see the sweat beading off his forehead. There he goes. Will he do it? Yes. 5.7. 5.6. 4.9.
4.9.
An Olympian, you're not. Whoa, 6.0. Kevin's laughing at you.
I know.
Where are you, little boogie boog? Kevin! Back to mommy,
What's
did you?
this?
Where's Daddy?